Hello, welcome to my video tutorial. In this video I will show you how to check your graphics driver on Windows 10. So first search Device Manager on your search bar in your Windows 10 operating system. After that, find Display Adapters, then double-click it. As you can see, you will see your graphics card driver, which in this case is Intel HD Graphics 4000 or any other versions you may have. This graphics card driver is Integrated Graphics Processing Unit or IGPU, meaning it integrates within Central Processing Unit or CPU. In other words, it's just part of the CPU. Right-click your graphics card driver and click Properties. And then click Driver tab. As you can see, you will see your graphics card driver details like who's provider of the driver date, the driver version you have, and so on and so forth. And that's pretty much of it on how to check your graphics card driver on Windows 10. If this video found to be helpful or useful, leave a comment below, and also, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon for more tutorial videos in the future. And thank you for watching this video tutorial, and have a good day.